if I told you that you could start investing today with as little as $1? No finance degree, no huge savings account, no idea what you're doing yet. Here's the truth. The stock market, real estate, even crypto, they're not just for wealthy people anymore. They're for anyone with a smartphone and the willingness to start. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get into the 6 best apps for beginners. Investing. Just the word can feel intimidating, right? There's jargon, risk, decisions, so many decisions. But here's the thing. The hardest part isn't picking the perfect stock. The hardest part is just getting started. And if you're watching this video, you're already doing that. So let's make it easy. Today, I'm breaking down 6 of the best investment apps for beginners. We'll talk about what makes each one special, who it's best for, and how you can maximize every dollar you put in. And at the end, I'll share one more way to earn extra cash to fund your investments. No extra job required. Before we dive in, let's get one thing straight. Investing is not the same as saving. When you save, your money just sits there, slowly growing. When you invest, you're putting that money to work. And yes, that means there's some risk involved. Think of it like a pyramid. At the bottom, you've got low-risk options like bonds and ETFs. Higher up, you'll find individual stocks. And at the very top, crypto and high-risk assets. The good news is, most beginner investment apps make recommendations based on your goals, your risk tolerance, and your timeline. Number 1, Acorns. If you've never invested a single dollar in your life, Acorns might be your best friend. Here's how it works. Every time you make a purchase, coffee, groceries, gas, Acorns rounds it up to the nearest dollar and invests that spare change for you. Completely automatic. You don't have to think about a single thing, and it adds up. Faster than you'd expect. Beyond that, Acorns has a full library of educational content to help you learn as you go. When you're ready, you can explore IRA options for retirement, checking and savings accounts, and even a built-in money manager. It's investing with training wheels that you can take off whenever you're ready. Number 2, ARC7. Okay, real talk. Have you ever dreamed of owning real estate but then looked at property prices and laughed? I feel you. That's where ARC7 comes in. ARC7 lets you invest in shares of REAL rental homes starting at just $20. Yes, $20. Browse properties across the country, from a single-family home in Dallas to a multi-family building in Seattle. Each month, rental income distributions go straight to your account. There are no hidden fees either. ARC7 holds a small percentage for property management. Properties are typically held long-term, but you do have the flexibility to sell your shares after a minimum holding period. Best for real estate without the down payment. Number 3, Griffin. This one is just fun. Griffin's whole motto is stock where you shop. Here's the idea. Every time you swipe your card at a store, Griffin automatically invests $1 in that company's stock. Grab a Starbucks, $1 into Starbucks. Order from Amazon, $1 into Amazon. It turns your everyday spending into everyday investing. Like a habit you build one swipe at a time. You can absolutely customize your settings, choose which stocks and how much, but the magic is in how easy it makes investing feel. Start with just $1. Number 4, Public. Think of Public as the investment app that grows with you. You start as a beginner and you never have to outgrow it. Here's what you can invest in. Stocks, over 9,000 of them. Bonds, corporate, treasury, and municipal. Crypto, over 40 assets. And ETFs. You can start with your first fractional share for just $5. Public also has a vibrant community where fellow investors ask questions and share knowledge. Number 5, Robinhood. Even if you've never invested before, you've probably heard this name. It's incredibly user-friendly and offers commission-free trading. You can invest in fractional shares, dabble in crypto, and even get your first stock for free when you sign up. Now there's also Robinhood Gold. For $5 a month, you can earn 3.25% APY on your uninvested cash, which is way higher than most traditional savings accounts. And when you contribute to an IRA, Robinhood gives you a 3% match. That's free money toward your retirement. Perfect for juggling multiple goals. Number 6, StreetBeat. Are you the type of person who'd rather let a computer handle things? StreetBeat's big selling point is its AI-powered investment advisor. You can literally ask it things like, what are the top AI companies to invest in right now? The AI monitors analyst ratings, news, and earnings reports. It can even rebalance your portfolio daily. And here's a tip. KashKick occasionally partners with StreetBeat for cash rewards. Keep an eye on the deals section. So, how do you actually choose the right app? Match it to your goal. Is it long-term growth? Passive income? Check the minimums and fees. Those add up. Make sure it's regulated and easy to use. Here's the most important tip. Start small and stay consistent. You don't need a lot. You just need to start. Now here's one more thing. Build that cushion without a second job. That's where KashKick comes in. It's a free app that pays you for playing games and taking surveys. As soon as you earn $10, you can cash out through PayPal. Put that cash to work in any of the apps we just covered. Link to sign up for KashKick is in the description below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more money tips. I'll see you in the next one.